Welcome back to Kuroji Gaming. On this video, we're going to be doing a little bit of maintenance work. Please subscribe to my channel if you like it. Let me know that I'm doing good by giving me that thumbs up. And let's see what we're doing here. Alright guys, so this is a Ford Taurus. It's a 2008. And I gotta replace that thermostat. It should be right in here. So you take this off first. This intake pipe, it just basically goes in like that. And what you do is you get a drill, you get a socket with a, what number is this? Number 8. I don't think you guys can see that, but anyways, it's number 8. Okay. And then all you do is you loosen this clamp and this one as well, and then you just turn it to unlock it basically. So it's like this. You push it the other way, it unlocks. That way it'll be able to pop out off the carburetor, or the intake I should say. This hose right here, there's a hose that goes right here. It's actually this one, and it connects right here. And it's, all you do is you push this tab like so. You just push on it and you pop it out, and you can just leave it there. Same thing with this one. It goes right up top right here, so you just pop it off. All right, let's see. I'm not sure what size bolt that is, but it looks small. Let's see. Figure it out together. What is this? 7? Let's see. Nope, it's too big, so I think it's gonna be that 8 that's on this drill. And it sure is. Okay, so you just, right here, you just loosen this bad boy up, loosen the bottom one, and that's pretty much it. I mean, pretty simple. You just take the old thermostat out, put the new one in, and that's pretty much it. I have the new one right over here. And it's gonna look like so. Okay, nothing fancy. Sometimes they have a seal right around the side, like around here. So when I pop the old one out, I'm gonna take a look and see if it's got a seal. Usually they do. What the heck? I don't know, maybe these ones don't. You know what, let's take it off. See what we're dealing with here. I apologize for all the movement, but I got one hand holding my phone, which is how I'm taping this. Now, before I take that off, let's get this drain pan. Slide the drain pan because I do not want it to spill everywhere, which it's not in the right place. Of course not up there. Hopefully it spills right on it. We'll find out. But you know what's a good idea? When you're doing this, make sure the car's cold, so you don't burn the crap out of yourself. I'm guessing this is the one. right over here. And you just loosen it. Now I just put the car in here a little bit ago, but it's pretty cold. And yeah, it's pretty good. It doesn't need any fluid, but it will whenever we drain it, so. The only reason I popped it off was because I wanted to make sure there's no pressure in there. Because when I loosened it right now, it actually there was a little bit of pressure in there. So let's see. There goes one. And I should get an extension. Small one. Here we go. Stay for a second. Alrighty. So, see, small extension. And we're gonna do the bottom one. Make sure you don't strip these things because they're tiny. It's gonna be kind of hard. Now, I don't know what the torque spec is. Usually I just, you know, hand tight. You should know your own strength. Nothing crazy. And there goes that. Oh man, now I gotta find it. Good thing I have this for those type of occasions. Alrighty, let's make more work for myself. So I got a magnetic retriever. Let's stick it in this thing. Come on. Oh, it's kind of light, so I can. I heard that. And voila. Alright. The magnetic retriever, to be honest, I don't remember where I got it from. But the light comes in handy, as you saw. Alrighty. There it goes. It's coming off. Make sure you don't lose that bolt either. When you're loosening it, just when it's kind of loose, you might want to stick your hand and do the rest with your hand so you don't drop it or lose it. Trust me, those little bolts, they get lost real quick. Let me move this intake pipe out of the way. Oh yeah, there we go. Come on, little guy. All right, so is it in this one or is it? Should be in this one. Let's find out. Because I'm pretty sure it's in here, but it could be over there. I doubt it, but that'd be interesting. Oh yeah, it's in there. Oh, perfect. Right into the drain pan. Cool. Yeah, and it's in there. See? Oh shit. Right there. So it's definitely in there. You just take the little sucker out and wiggle it. Let's see, gonna wiggle this sucker out. I'm not sure why it doesn't have a seal, but it's pretty snug in there. All right, you know what? I got this big old screwdriver. It should pop right up. Oh, make sure you don't damage the housing. It's all aluminum, so it'll definitely bend pretty quick. There it goes. It was just a little snug. Nothing wrong with that. See, it does have a seal. This one didn't have one. What the heck? Well, I should probably, I don't want to reuse it, but no, I don't want to reuse it. I don't want to reuse it just because sometimes whenever they get squished, they won't have the same thickness, because they're so squished for so long, and they stay like that, and then the thickness kind of changes. So because I don't have one, which is great, I got it at O'Reilly's. I mean, I'm gonna have to go back and see if they got one. But if it doesn't, it should come with one. But if it, yeah, it does, because look, even the housing, there's a lip, and this has the same lip. So when it goes, it matches, and it makes that seal. Okay, so it is supposed to come with one. All right, well, back to O'Reilly's. But it's pretty simple. You just take those two bolts out, put a drain pan down there. You don't want stuff all over. And yeah, I don't want to make this video too long. But once you put it back in, just tighten, not too tight. And then just put the intake pipe back. Here and here. Pretty simple.